Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, then you are watching the Curioscope Career Series, and this is where we break down everything about different study options, careers, exams, and smart choices for your future in different sectors. Today, we talk about specialization in law. Law in India offers a wide range of specializations, allowing students to align their legal education with specific interests and career goals. Major specializations include constitutional law, which focuses on the framework of governance and fundamental rights; criminal law, dealing with crimes and justice delivery; corporate and commercial law, centered on business transactions, mergers, and compliance; civil law, covering disputes related to property, contracts, and family matters; intellectual property law, protecting creations such as patents, trademarks, and copyrights; international law, governing relations between nations; and emerging areas like cyber law, environmental law, and human rights law. These specializations reflect the evolving legal, economic, and social needs of the country and open diverse career opportunities in litigation, corporate practice, public service, academia, and policymaking. Law students in India can choose their specialization at the undergraduate level, BALLB, BBALLB, or pursue advanced specialization through postgraduate studies, LLM. Each field offers unique career paths, salary potential, and professional challenges. Let's begin with criminal law. It is one of the most traditional and impactful branches of law, dealing with acts that are considered offenses against society and the state. It covers areas such as the Indian Penal Code, now Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Criminal Procedure Code, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, and laws related to evidence, bail, trials, investigation, punishments, and victims' rights. Criminal law practitioners handle cases involving theft, assault, fraud, cybercrime, domestic violence, economic offenses, and serious crimes, and they work closely with courts, police, and investigative agencies to ensure justice is delivered. One of the major advantages of studying criminal law is the opportunity to make a real social impact by defending rights, ensuring fair trials, and upholding justice. It offers dynamic court-based practice, strong demand for skilled advocates, and diverse career options such as criminal litigation, public prosecutor roles, judicial services, legal advisory roles with investigative agencies, and academia. Criminal law also builds strong advocacy, argumentation, and analytical skills, making it a respected and influential specialization. However, criminal law also comes with challenges. The work can be stressful, emotionally demanding, and time-intensive due to frequent court appearances and unpredictable schedules. Young lawyers may face slow financial growth initially, and cases can be complex, involving ethical dilemmas and high public scrutiny. Persistence, patience, and strong mental resilience are essential to succeed in this field. Let's discuss earning options. In terms of salary potential, fresh criminal lawyers may earn modestly, typically ranging from 20,000 rupees to 60,000 rupees per month in the initial years. With experience and reputation, earnings can grow significantly. Established criminal advocates may earn 8 to 18 lakh rupees per month or more, depending on the complexity and volume of cases. Senior advocates, public prosecutors, and legal professionals associated with high-profile cases can command substantial fees, making criminal law a financially rewarding career in the long run for those who stay committed. Moving on. Corporate and business law deals with the legal framework governing businesses, companies, and commercial activities. The scope of practice includes company formation, contracts, mergers and acquisitions, corporate governance, regulatory compliance, intellectual property, foreign investment, employment matters, and commercial dispute resolution. Lawyers in this field work with startups, SMEs, multinational corporations, law firms, and in-house legal teams to support business growth while ensuring legal compliance. One of the major career advantages of corporate and business law is its strong demand and wide applicability across industries. It offers exposure to high-value transactions, structured career growth, and opportunities for international work. This specialization develops strong drafting, negotiation, problem-solving, and commercial decision-making skills, making professionals highly valued in both law firms and corporate environments. However, corporate and business law comes with challenges. The work can be fast-paced and deadline-driven, often requiring long hours during transactions or compliance periods. High client expectations, constant regulatory changes, and pressure to maintain accuracy and confidentiality can impact work-life balance. In terms of salary progression, fresh graduates typically earn 30,000 to 70,000 rupees per month. But if someone got to work with top firms like CAM, AZB, SAM, Tri-Legal, they can start with a higher package ranging from 8 to 15 lakhs per annum. With experience, earnings can increase to 1 to 3 lakh rupees monthly. Senior associates, partners, and in-house legal heads may earn 5 lakh rupees or more per month, making this a financially rewarding career path. In our next slide, we have civil law. Civil law deals with disputes between individuals, organizations, or institutions related to rights, obligations, and property. It covers areas such as contracts, property disputes, family matters, torts, consumer cases, and succession. Civil lawyers represent clients in courts, tribunals, and mediation, focusing on resolving conflicts through legal remedies and compensation. It is best for those seeking diverse, less stressful practice with gradual income growth. In terms of salary progression, fresh civil lawyers usually earn around 15,000 to 40,000 rupees per month. With experience, reputation, and a strong client base, earnings can grow to 6 to 15 lakh rupees per annum. Constitutional law focuses on the interpretation and application of the Constitution, safeguarding fundamental rights, federal structure, and the balance of power between the state and citizens. It involves matters related to public interest litigation, or PIL, judicial review, constitutional remedies, and government actions. Constitutional lawyers often appear before high courts and the Supreme Court, playing a key role in shaping public policy and protecting democratic values. It's best for those passionate about policy, governance, and Supreme Court practice. In terms of salary progression, fresh lawyers may earn around 4 lakh to 8 lakh rupees per annum. With experience and expertise, earnings can rise to 12 to 25 lakh rupees yearly. Senior constitutional advocates and legal experts involved in landmark cases may earn significantly more. Let us now talk about family law. Family law deals with legal issues arising from family relationships and personal status, including marriage, divorce, maintenance, child custody, adoption, guardianship, and succession. Family lawyers work in family courts and mediation settings, aiming to resolve disputes with empathy and legal clarity. Why choose this path? Family law offers high and consistent client demand, as family-related disputes are common and ongoing. It is a human-centric field that involves close interpersonal interaction and allows lawyers to make a direct impact on people's lives. Compared to corporate law, it is less technical and document-heavy, focusing more on counseling, negotiation, and advocacy. In terms of salary progression, fresh family law practitioners typically earn 20,000 to 50,000 rupees per month. With experience and a strong client base, earnings can grow to 6 to 12 lakh rupees yearly or more. Senior advocates and trained mediators handling complex cases can earn significantly higher over time. Another important vertical, intellectual property rights, IPR, focuses on protecting creations of the mind, including patents, trademarks, copyrights, and designs. It is a rapidly growing specialization driven by innovation, startups, technology, and the digital economy. Why choose this path? IPR offers strong career prospects, specialized expertise, and opportunities to work with tech companies, startups, law firms, and global clients. The work is research-driven, strategic, and less court-intensive, with growing international exposure. In terms of salary progression, fresh IPR professionals may earn 6 lakh to 10 lakh rupees per annum. With experience and specialization, earnings can rise to 15 to 30 lakh rupees annually. Senior IPR experts and patent attorneys can earn significantly more, making IPR a high-growth legal career. Next, we have a very demanding field in law. Cyber law and IT law deal with legal issues arising from the use of technology, the internet, and digital systems. The practice covers cybercrime, data protection and privacy, electronic evidence, digital contracts, intellectual property in the online space, fintech regulations, and compliance with IT laws. Cyber lawyers work with individuals, corporations, government bodies, and technology companies to prevent, investigate, and resolve digital disputes. One of the key career advantages of this field is its rapid growth due to increasing digitalization, e-commerce, and cyber threats. It offers diverse opportunities in litigation, advisory, compliance, and policy making, along with strong demand for specialized skills. However, cyber law also presents challenges such as constant technological changes, evolving regulations, and the need for continuous learning and technical understanding. In terms of salary progression, fresh cyber law professionals typically earn 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month. With experience and specialization, earnings can rise to 15 to 35 lakh rupees yearly. Senior experts, consultants, and in-house legal heads in tech companies may earn significantly higher, making it a future-oriented legal career. Moving on, labor and employment law focuses on the legal relationship between employers and employees. It covers areas such as employment contracts, wages, working conditions, industrial disputes, social security, workplace safety, and compliance with labor laws. Practitioners advise companies, represent workers and unions, and appear before labor courts and tribunals. This field offers stable demand across industries and opportunities in litigation, compliance, and HR advisory roles. Challenges include frequent regulatory changes and balancing employer-employee interests. Fresh professionals usually earn 6 to 12 lakhs rupees annually. With experience, salaries can grow to 15 to 35 lakh rupees yearly, while senior consultants and in-house experts may earn more. The next slide, we discuss on environmental law, focuses on protecting the environment and promoting sustainable development through legal regulation. As climate change, pollution, and resource conservation become growing global priorities, this field plays a crucial role in shaping government policy and corporate responsibility. Environmental lawyers work on matters related to environmental clearances, pollution control, climate change regulations, wildlife protection, and public interest litigation. Career opportunities exist with law firms, NGOs, government bodies, international organizations, regulatory authorities, and corporate compliance teams. In terms of salary progression, fresh environmental law professionals typically earn 3 to 6 lakhs rupees per annum. With experience and specialization, earnings can rise to 10 to 18 lakh rupees yearly. Senior experts, policy advisors, and consultants working on large-scale environmental projects may earn significantly more, making environmental law a meaningful and evolving legal career. Moving on to the next. Taxation law deals with direct and indirect taxes, including income tax, GST, customs, and international taxation. Practice covers tax planning, compliance, audits, litigation, and advisory services for individuals and businesses. Why choose taxation law? It offers consistent demand, specialized expertise, and strong financial rewards, as tax compliance is essential for all entities. The field requires a strong understanding of statutes, accounting basics, and regular updates due to changing tax laws. In terms of salary progression, fresh tax law professionals typically earn 6 to 10 lakh rupees per annum. With experience, earnings can grow to 15 to 30 lakh rupees yearly, while senior tax consultants and advisors may earn significantly more. Next, we have international law. International law governs legal relations between states, international organizations, multinational corporations, and individuals across national borders. It covers key areas such as public international law, international human rights, humanitarian law, international trade and investment law, environmental law, maritime and aviation law, and international arbitration. Practitioners work on treaties, cross-border disputes, policy frameworks, diplomatic negotiations, and compliance with international conventions. One of the major career highlights of international law is its global exposure. It offers opportunities to work with international organizations like the United Nations, international courts and tribunals, NGOs, think tanks, multinational companies, and global law firms. The field allows lawyers to engage with complex global issues, influence policymaking, and participate in cross-border legal processes. It also develops strong research, analytical, drafting, and negotiation skills. However, there are important reality checks. Entry-level opportunities are limited and highly competitive, and many roles require advanced degrees, specialized training, internships, and strong academic credentials. Career growth can be slow initially, and geographic mobility is often necessary. In terms of salary progression, fresh professionals may earn around 6 to 12 lakh rupees per annum. With experience and specialization, earnings can grow to 20 to 30 lakh rupees yearly. Senior international law experts, consultants, and arbitrators may earn significantly more, especially in global roles. Moving on, human rights law focuses on protecting fundamental rights and freedoms guaranteed by national constitutions and international conventions. It addresses issues such as discrimination, unlawful detention, freedom of speech, minority rights, refugee protection, and access to justice. Human rights lawyers work with courts, NGOs, international organizations, and advocacy groups to challenge injustice and hold authorities accountable. This field is purpose-driven and socially impactful, offering opportunities to influence policy and bring systemic change. However, careers may involve limited financial rewards initially and require strong commitment and resilience. In terms of salary progression, fresh professionals may earn 3 to 5 lakh rupees yearly. With experience, earnings can grow to 8 to 15 lakh rupees annually, while senior experts and consultants may earn more. Now we have real estate law. Real estate law deals with property-related legal matters, including buying, selling, leasing, land acquisition, zoning, construction, and regulatory compliance. Lawyers guide clients, developers, investors, financial institutions, and individuals through property transactions and disputes, ensuring legal security and smooth execution. Advantages include consistent demand, exposure to high-value transactions, and opportunities in advisory, litigation, and development projects. Considerations involve complex documentation, regulatory compliance, and occasionally prolonged disputes that require patience and attention to detail. Earning potential. Fresh practitioners typically earn 4 to 8 lakhs rupees per annum. With experience and a strong client base, earnings can rise to 10 to 20 lakh rupees yearly. Senior lawyers managing large commercial or real estate projects may earn significantly more, making it a lucrative career path. Another important vertical, media and entertainment law, focuses on the legal needs of the rapidly expanding media, film, television, music, digital content, and sports industries. With strong market growth driven by OTT platforms, social media, and global content consumption, this field offers exciting and creative career opportunities. Lawyers work with a diverse client base including production houses, artists, influencers, broadcasters, record labels, and digital platforms, handling contracts, intellectual property, licensing, and compliance. The lifestyle in this field is dynamic and people-centric, offering exposure to creative industries and high-profile clients. However, challenges include irregular working hours, tight production timelines, and complex negotiations over rights and revenues. Also, these jobs are extremely network-driven, with limited positions in top-tier law firms. In terms of salary progression, fresh professionals may earn 5 to 10 lakh rupees per annum. With experience, earnings can grow to 5 to 10 lakh rupees yearly. Senior entertainment lawyers representing major studios or celebrities may earn significantly higher, making it a rewarding but demanding specialization. Next we have banking and finance law deals with the legal framework governing financial institutions, lending, and monetary transactions. The core practice areas include loan documentation, project finance, banking regulations, securitization, restructuring and insolvency, compliance, fintech regulation, and financial dispute resolution. Lawyers in this field work closely with banks, NBFCs, financial institutions, corporations, and regulatory bodies to structure and safeguard complex financial transactions. This specialization offers strong career growth due to the constant expansion of the financial sector and increasing regulatory oversight. It demands high technical excellence, attention to detail, and a strong understanding of finance, economics, and regulatory laws. Professionals develop expertise in drafting, risk assessment, and regulatory compliance, making them highly valued in law firms and in-house legal teams. In terms of salary progression, fresh graduates may earn 8 to 12 lakh rupees per annum, depending on the organization and location. With 5 to 10 years of experience, salaries can rise to 20 to 35 lakh rupees annually. Senior associates, partners, and in-house legal heads in banks or financial institutions may earn 2 crore rupees per annum or more, making banking and finance law one of the most lucrative legal career paths. Let's talk about other 3 lucrative specializations. Competition law. Competition law focuses on preventing anti-competitive practices such as cartels, abuse of dominance, and unfair mergers. With increasing regulatory scrutiny, lawyers work with corporations and regulators on investigations and compliance. It is a highly specialized, research-intensive field offering strong financial rewards and long-term career growth. Maritime law. Maritime law governs shipping, ports, offshore trade, and marine insurance. Practitioners handle charter parties, cargo claims, ship arrests, and international maritime disputes. With global trade expansion, maritime law offers international exposure, niche expertise, and lucrative opportunities for specialists. Energy law. Energy law deals with regulation and contracts in power, oil, gas, and renewable energy sectors. Lawyers advise on project development, licensing, environmental compliance, and investments. The global shift toward clean energy has made this a fast-growing, high-value specialization with strong earning potential. This slide highlights the major law entrance exams that open doors to India's top legal institutions. The Common Law Admission Test, or CLAT, is the primary gateway to 22 national law universities, including prestigious names like NLSIU Bengaluru, NALSAR Hyderabad, and WBNUJS Kolkata. These institutions are known for strong academics and excellent placements. Next is AILET, which is conducted exclusively for NLU Delhi, one of the most competitive and reputed law schools in the country. For students targeting top private universities, LSAT India and SLAT provide access to institutions such as Jindal Global Law School and Symbiosis Law Schools, which offer global exposure and modern curricula. Additionally, CUET and various state-level entrance exams allow entry into universities like Delhi University, BHU, and other government colleges. Choosing the right exam is the first strategic step toward a successful legal career. Now, we focus on important takeaways to help you plan your legal journey wisely. First, it's crucial to choose your specialization carefully. Fields such as banking, competition, maritime, energy, and real estate law offer unique career advantages. Your choice should align with your interests, salary expectations, and preferred lifestyle. Second, targeting top institutions matters greatly. National law universities and premier private colleges generally provide stronger placement opportunities and higher starting salaries. Consistent and focused preparation for entrance exams is essential to secure admission. Finally, building specialized knowledge is key to long-term success. High-paying legal careers increasingly reward technical expertise. Alongside core legal subjects, developing an understanding of finance, economics, and sector-specific regulations can set you apart. Strategic planning, quality education, and continuous skill development together form the foundation of a rewarding legal career. Now let us explain how to choose the legal career path that best suits you. The first step is to assess your interests, whether you enjoy courtroom litigation, corporate advisory work, policy making, or people-focused practice areas. Next, evaluate your salary expectations. Corporate law and intellectual property rights generally offer higher starting salaries, while fields like constitutional or environmental law may start lower but provide long-term impact and satisfaction. Work-life balance is another important factor. Criminal and corporate law often involve long and demanding hours, while civil and family law may offer relatively balanced schedules. You should also research growth potential, as emerging areas like cyber law and IPR are expanding rapidly. Finally, gain practical experience through internships in different specializations. This exploration helps you identify where your skills, values, and ambitions truly align. If you found this exploration insightful and inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on exciting career insights and guidance. Thank you for joining us today, and keep exploring, learning, and innovating. Best of luck.